Welcome to today's video on how to make money on WhatsApp. In this guide, we will focus on 3 powerful methods: affiliate marketing, selling online, and promoting your social media. These strategies have been proven to generate income for thousands of people worldwide, and you can start today with the right tools. One of the most powerful tools to help you succeed in this journey is WaaBoost, a smart platform designed to grow your WhatsApp audience and increase your reach. Stay tuned because we are going to dip it in. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to earn money online using WhatsApp. The idea is simple. You share product links, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can use well-known internal sites like Amazon, Alibaba, or Jumia, which offer a wide variety of products. With WhatsApp, you can directly share these links with your contacts, groups, or broadcast list, creating a personal and trusted recommendation that drives sales. Selling online through WhatsApp is another strong opportunity. You can focus on digital tools such as ebooks, software, courses, and design templates, products that can be delivered instantly. If you have fixed assets like electronics, fashion items, or home appliances, WhatsApp lets you connect directly with potential buyers, negotiate in real time, and close deals faster than through traditional marketplaces. Promoting your social media. If you already have presence on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook, WhatsApp can be your personal traffic booster. By sharing your content links, previews, and updates directly to your audience, you bypass algorithms and connect instantly with your followers. This direct reach can help your videos gain more views, your posts get more engagement, and your brand grow faster. In conclusion, WaaBoost is the ultimate tool to help anyone promote their WhatsApp audience based on their country. The only thing you need to do is verify your number on the site and stay updated with the daily VCF file containing valid, active WhatsApp contacts. This ensures you always have a fresh audience ready to receive your offers, products, or content. To access this site, simply open your browser and type WaaBoost or click the first pinned comment below.